Good afternoon, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. And thank you for that kind introduction. And thank you for the organizers for this wonderful convention. Thank you for hosting it in Richmond, right here in Virginia. It's an honor to join you for my very first Jalsa Salana, and especially for this historic 75th Diamond Jubilee celebration. It's truly a privilege to be invited for such a momentous occasion. Last General Assembly session, when I was in the House of Delegates, I was moved by a prayer offered by your Imam for our opening convocation prayer in the House of Delegates. And I met several of your community members in the House of Delegates. It is just as moving to see so many of you here, around 10,000 Ahmadiyya Muslim community members right here in Richmond from all over the country, gathered here this weekend of July 4th to spend this holiday weekend united in faith right here in the Commonwealth, and also show your patriotism and service. Your membership here in the Commonwealth of Virginia is strong, with 3 chapters across the state and thousands of families, many of whom live in my district up in Northern Virginia, and are active members of the Northern Virginia chapter in Chantilly. And thank you for all you do, and you all went above and beyond this week to contribute to the day of service, Jalsa Cares, right here in Richmond. I know it took a lot of coordination, time and heart, but your volunteer efforts, working with the Richmond community, RVA Community Fridges, Richmond Fire, and the American Red Cross are truly making a real difference in this community. Love for all, hatred for one is such an amazing, beautiful message. The values of love, compassion, and understanding transcends all of us. I am very grateful for your community's involvement and the amazing service that you do to so many of our communities across this amazing nation and across the globe. Your community is an example that love truly has the power to bridge any divide. So thank you again for including me in this special weekend, and congratulations on 75 incredible years. Assalamu alaikum.